Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well at home. I hope whatever work I'm giving, you are doing at home, and side by side, you are learning tables also. Yes, fine. Today, I'm going to continue the topic, chapter 2, numbers. All of you take out your textbooks, page number 29. I have given fifth bit as a homework. Did you do this bit, children, in your notebook? If not, do today. Let's continue the topic. In the last video, I have sent explanation of numbers arranging in ascending order and in descending order. Ascending order is nothing but arranging numbers from smallest to biggest. Smallest to biggest. Yes, next. Descending order means, children, arranging numbers from biggest to smallest. Biggest to smallest. Today, I'm going to start sixth bit, children. All of you take out your textbook and I'm reading the question. You also read along with me. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Ascending order is nothing but arranging the numbers from smallest to biggest. Already I told you it is a very easy bit to understand nicely. Remember once number line. Number line, do you remember number line? Number line starts from 0 and the numbers will goes on 1, 2, 3, 4 like that goes on. Numbers will continue. Number line means if you draw like this one line, the number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 like that. The numbers will continue. If you'll go on the number line from left to right, the numbers will increase. If you'll come from right to left, the numbers will decrease. I have already told this point in last videos also to you. That point is very important to understand nicely this concept. Okay, ascending order means small number to big number. Descending order means big number to small number. Means whenever we are talking about ascending order, we have to go forward counting. Okay, we have to do forward counting. Whenever we are talking about descending order, we have to remember about backward counting of a number. Children, here one example he has given for us. Look at this example carefully. And here he has given answer also. Whenever you have two-digit numbers, you have to observe carefully all the digits are two-digit or not. All the numbers are two-digit numbers or not. First step is that only. You have to observe carefully. If the numbers if the numbers are number of digits, if the given numbers are having same number of digits, it's fine. Then you have to write places of the digits. If that number is having two digits, then you have to write TO. T denotes tens place, O denotes ones place. So, whenever you are having two-digit numbers, you have to observe first which place number? Exactly, tens place number you have to observe. See, children, tens place number, just you underline. After writing one number in your answer, just you cut off that number or otherwise strike off that number. Means again that number will not repeat. So, you should not get confused. So, just you strike off after writing that number in your answer. Now, children, start observing tens place digits. Here I have 6. Here I have 3. Here I have 7. Here I have 8. 6, 3, 7, 8. Out of these 4 digits, which is the smaller number? Which is the smaller number? See, once observe this number line carefully. We are having 6, 3, 7, 8. If you will observe this number line, first number what will come in counting numbers? 6 will come, 3 will come, 7 will come, 8 will come. Yes, first 3 is coming. So 3 is the smaller number. So write here 35. 3, 5, 35. After writing, just you strike off like this. Or just you put cross mark on that number. Okay. Now I wrote 35 in the answer. So now observe only these 3 numbers, 64, 79, 84. 3 after 4, but here 4 is not there in 10th place. 4 after 5, but in 10th place there is no 5. 6 is there? Yes, 6 is there. So 64 will come next. Is that clear, children? Next, 6 after, which number will get? 7, exactly. With 7, number is there now here? 7 in 10th place number is there here. So 79 will come after 64. Okay, children? After writing what I told, just you strike off that number. Then last number is left, 84. So write 84 in the last. So our answer is 35, 64, 79, 84. I hope you understood. Children, let me arrange these numbers also in ascending order. Ascending order I am writing in short form AO. AO is nothing but ascending order. Now children, observe carefully. First step what I told you, observe whether the given numbers are having number of digits are same or not. Here 84 is a 2-digit number, 79 is a 2-digit number, and 85 also a 2-digit number. Here 105 is a 3-digit number. So these 3 numbers are smaller than this number. Always you have to remember this point, 2-digit number is always smaller than 3-digit number. So first 3 numbers we will get from these 3 numbers. Last number will be 105. That is confirmed. First 2-digit numbers we have to write their places. Tens, ones, tens, ones. Here 3-digit numbers. So we will have hundreds, tens, ones. Children understood? Okay. Now observe carefully 10th place digit. 8, 7, 8. Here 100th place number. 100th place is there. So what you understood? These 3 numbers are smaller than this number. So last number will be 105. First we have to arrange these 3 numbers in ascending order. Then last number automatically will be 3-digit number. If we have 2 3-digit numbers and 2 2-digit numbers, then from where we have to start? There also we should start from 2-digit number. Means why? Because ascending order means what? Smallest number to biggest number. No. Means 2-digit numbers are smaller than 3-digit number. First you have to arrange 2-digit numbers. Then after you have to arrange 3-digit numbers. Children. Now here 2-digit numbers we are having 3. So here 8 I have, 7 I have, 8 I have. 8 is smaller number, 7 is the smaller number. See on the number line. 7 is coming first. 7 number is before 8. So on the number line we are having 7 before 8. So 7 is the smaller number. 7 is smaller than 8. So 7 is smaller, 8 is smaller, 7 is the smaller number. So 79 will come first. Next, 79 finished. Now we are having 2 numbers. Okay, 84 and 85. Here in 10th place 8 I have, here also 10th place 8 I have. When 10th place numbers are same, then we have to observe exactly Correct answer. We have to observe ones place digits. Here I have 4, here I have 5. 4 is smaller number, 5 is smaller number. Children, answer my question. 4 is smaller number or 5 is smaller number? You will say, teacher, 4 is the smaller number. So, what you understood, 84 will come next. 84 after 85. Now tell me which number is left here in this series? Yes, 105 will come in the last. So, very easy, children, to arrange the numbers in ascending order. No confusion. You have to remember this number line. Children, if you remember this number line, easily you can understand and you can arrange the numbers in ascending order. First, whatever numbers will come before, those are the small numbers, and whichever numbers will come next, that numbers are bigger number. Now here we are having 3-digit numbers. All the numbers are 3-digit or not, first you have to see. 1, 2, 3. Yes, this is a 3-digit number. 100 tens ones, 100 tens ones, 100 tens ones. These 4 numbers are 3-digit number. First you write places, HTO, 100 tens ones, 100 tens ones, 100 tens ones. Yes, children? Next, when the digits are same in hundreds place, then I told you to observe tens place digit. If the digits are also in tens place same, then you have to observe ones place. So here, all the digits in hundreds place are same, children. Then, how can I get the answer? Then, what is the next step? Next step is observing carefully tens place digit. So here I have 0, here I have 1, here I have 5, here I have 4. On the number line, observe carefully, on the number line, 0 is coming first. So 0 is the smaller one. So 106 will come first, ascending order. 0. Okay, children, 0 will come first. So here 0, 1, 5, 4. 0, 1, 5, 4. So 0 is coming first. So 0 is the smaller one. With that 0 in tens place, number will come first place. It will take first place. So strike off after writing that number. Next, 0 after 1. So which number is having 1 in tens place? Yes, 110. So that number will come in second place. After noting down, just to strike off. 1 after 2 should come, but in tens place there is no 2. 2 after 3 should come, but there is no 3 in tens place. 4 should come, 3 after. Yes, with 4 in tens place, we have one number. What is that number? 143. Strike off and write here. After 4, what we have here? 5. With 5 in tens place, we have any number here? Yes, we are having 155. Strike off. This is the procedure to arrange numbers in ascending order. And here I have one more question. Try to solve this, children, along with me. Okay, first you have to write places. First you have to observe whether you got all the numbers with the same digits or number of digits are same or not. If you are having 2-digit number, 2 3-digit number, or 1 2-digit number, remaining 3 numbers are 3-digit number, then you have to be little bit careful while arranging the numbers in ascending order. Observe this carefully. Here in this series, I have one number with 2 digits and remaining 3 numbers are 3-digit numbers. One number is 2-digit number, remaining 3 numbers are 3-digit numbers. You know very well. What you know? 2-digit number is smaller than 3-digit number, or 3-digit number is smaller than 2-digit number. Children, answer my question. You know this question answer very well. Always 2-digit number is smaller than 3-digit number. So here I have only one 2-digit number and remaining 3 numbers are 3-digit number. So what you can say, children? Without any thinking, you can write 89 in first place. Why? Because we are having only one 2-digit number. So automatically that 2-digit number is the smaller number. Is that clear? The 2-digit number is the smallest number. Remaining numbers are 3-digit. Here I have two 2-digit numbers. Then I have to compare. But here there is no chance. Only one 2-digit number I have. So automatically that 2-digit number will become the first number in our ascending order. So now I have to observe these 3 numbers carefully. First, you have to observe hundreds place number. Here in hundreds place I have 1. Here in hundreds place I have 2. Over here I have 6. So observe this number line carefully. When we will count the numbers, which numbers will come first? 1 will come, 2 will come, 6 will come, 1 will come first. So in hundreds place with 1, here we are having any number? Yes, we are having. So with 1 we are having this number. Here with 1 we are having hundreds place number? No. So 178 will be the second number. Next, after 1 what we will get, children? In number line 2. With 2 in hundreds place we are having any number? Yes, I am having. 254 will come next. So here 675 number is left. So one that is the last number left. So you have to write the last. So 1, 2, 6. Children, observing the hundreds place number is very important. Children, understood? Observing the hundreds place number is very important. After observing hundreds place number, if the digits are in hundreds place numbers are same, then we have to observe tens place number. There also we are having same digits, means the numbers are same. Then we have to observe ones place digits. After observing carefully only, we can write the numbers in order, whether it may be ascending, whether it may be descending. But you have to be very careful while observing places. Today, I want to solve few more bits related to ascending order, children. Okay, here I draw one number line. Okay, ascending order, arranging in ascending order is very easy, children. If you will practice number of bits, okay, daily you write on your own 5 more questions related to this topic and you solve on your own, then you will only get the answer. Okay, you will explain to your brothers, younger brothers and younger sisters also. When you will get perfect, if you will solve, if you will practice, okay, that topic with a few more examples. Okay, teacher only should give numbers. When teacher will give homework, that time only I will solve. Don't think like that, children. I am not asking you to solve 10, 20 bits. I am asking to solve on your own at least 1, 2, 3 bits daily. Write on your own. This topic is easy for you. You are learning from class 1. So you are having good grip on this topic. When you are learning new topics, to get perfect in the topic, just you have to write your own question and try to solve it. Parents, kindly assist your children if they are getting any doubt regarding any topic, please kindly assist them. This is my request to all the parents. Let's begin this exercise, children. Ascending order, arranging in ascending order. Ascending order is nothing but arranging numbers from smallest to biggest. Okay, children, I told you first step. What is that first step? Observe the numbers carefully. If all the numbers are having number of digits same, okay, fine. If out of 4 numbers, 3 numbers are 2-digit number, 1 number is single digit number, then easily you can say single digit number is smaller than 2-digit number. Here we are having that case question only. See here, 2-digit number, 2-digit number, 2-digit number, 1-digit number. 1-digit number is always smaller than 2-digit number. Without observing, without any doubt, you write first 7. In first it is 7, children. Understood, children? Now, after writing, just you strike off or put cross mark on the number. That is your wish, children. Now observe carefully these 3 numbers. Write on the top places, tens ones, tens ones, tens ones. Children, now observe carefully tens place digit 2, 1, 4. Observe carefully this number line. On the number line, first we will get 0. 0 after 1. With 1 any number is there? Huh? Yes, I have with 1 number. In tens, with 1 in tens place I have number. What is that number? 1, 8, 18. So that will come in second place. 18 will come in second place. Okay, 1 over 1 after 2. With 2 any number is there in tens place? Yes, I have here. Here I have 4. But after 1 we'll get 2. So automatically this 2, 6, 26 will come after 18. And which number is left? 42. That you write in the last place. Children, I hope you understood this bit. Okay. Now observe this question carefully. Here all the numbers are same. They are having a number of digits same. Let's check. 100 tens ones, 100 tens ones, 100 tens ones, 100 tens ones. These are all numbers are 3-digit numbers. 100 tens ones, 100 tens ones, 100 tens ones, 100 tens ones. So these all numbers are 3-digit numbers. So here also no need to worry, children, whether it is a 3-digit number or 4-digit number, whether it may be 5-digit number. But procedure is same. First you have to observe hundreds place number. Fine. Here I have 4, 6, 3, 2. Different numbers. So easy to arrange the numbers in ascending order. If 100 place numbers are same, there we have to go for the next step. But here, no worry. Here we are having in 100 place different digits. So my dear children, observe the number line and try to arrange these 3-digit numbers in ascending order. Children, on the number line, which number will come first? 4 or 6 or 3 or 2 or? See, 4 easier, 6 easier, 3 easier, 2 easier. So on the number line, 2 is coming first. So 2 is smaller than 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So with 2, whichever number is having in 100th place, that number will come first. 204 is the smallest number. Next, 2 after, we will get 3. 3 in 100th place, any number we have here. Observe. Yes, here I have. So strike off and write 387. 3 after 4. With 4 in 100th place, we have any number? 482, 482, 654. I have with 4 in 100th place. Then we'll get after 387, 482. So 4 after 5. With 5 in 100th place, any number we have here? There is no 5 in 100th place number. So 5 after 6. With 6, yes, I have. So 654 will come in the last place. I hope you understood this example also nicely. Children, now let me move to the next example. So these numbers are also all are 3-digit numbers. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yes. Then next step is writing places. 110s ones, 110s ones, 110s ones, 110s ones. Writing of places are important, children. Okay, now observe carefully 100th place digits. 9, 8, 2, 6 on the number. And observe carefully that number line. Which number will come first? 9, 8, 2, 6. 9, 8, 2, 6. Arrange these numbers in ascending order first. 100th place digits, these are all. First, you have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. When you will arrange these digits in ascending order, first you will get 2. 2 after 3 will come. But here there is no 3 number. 3 after 4 will come. There is no 4 number. 4 after 5. There is no 4. 5 here. Sorry. 5 after 6. Yes. 6 will come. 6 after 7. There is no 7 here. Okay. 7 after 8. Yes. 8 will come. Last number is 9. So with 2 in 100th place, we have number no that will come first. 202. Okay, children. These are all 100th place digits, children. Okay. If you have any doubt, just you write that only 100th place digit side, and you know how to arrange single digit numbers in ascending order. It is very easy for you. You are learning from class 1. So first you have to write 100th place digit. Only single digit you have to write side. Just you arrange that single digit numbers in ascending order, and whatever series you got now, observe carefully. With 2 in 100th place, which number you will get, that will come first. 2 after 6. 6 in 100th place number is what? 677 will come second number. With 8 in 100th place, 805. Last number is 9, 999. This is also one more example. So like this also you can arrange the numbers in ascending order. Otherwise write numbers on number line. So wherever you will find your related number on the number line, you have to observe carefully and you have to arrange that numbers in ascending order. Ascending order is nothing but small to big. So my dear children, let's move to the next example. 2, 1, 3, 4. Teacher, you did not check whether the given numbers are having same number of digits or not. You are shouting, no? Yes, I know. I can hear. Okay. I am only telling to you to check first whether the given numbers are having same number of digits or not. So I should not go like that directly. First you observe carefully the given numbers whether they are 3-digit numbers or not. Okay, 110s ones, 110s ones, 110s ones, 110s ones. Okay, all the numbers are 3-digit number. Then you write places 110s ones, 110s ones, 110s ones. Children, now you tell me, observe carefully and tell me. You can write side 100th place number 2, 1, 3, 4. 100th place numbers 2, 1, 3, 4. Now you arrange. This is a question, children. Now I am going to arrange in ascending order these single digits. So which is the smallest number? 1. 1 after 2. 2 after 3. 3 after 4. 1 after 2. 2 after 3. 3 after 4. So with 1 in 100th place, we have this number. Okay. So that number will come first. 1 will come first. So why teacher 1 will come first means 1 is the smallest number comparing with other digits. 1 is the smallest number. 1 is the smallest number. So 2 is smaller than 3. 3 is smaller than 4. So small to big. So 1 after 2. With 2 in hundreds place, we have number here, 3-digit number. Yes, I have. So 209. After writing, just you strike off. So 2 after 3 in hundreds place, I have here one number, that is 316 will come next. Now last number left is 498. Next question. Whether the question is having same number of digits or not, you have to check. 100 tens once, 100 tens once, 100 tens once, 100 tens once. So first you have to observe carefully hundreds place digit 1835. 1835. Hundreds place numbers are 1835. This is the question. First you arrange these single digit numbers in ascending order. 1 is the smallest number. 1 after 2. But here there is no 2. 2 after 3. Yes. Then second place 3 number. 3 after 4. There is no 4. 4 after 5. And 5 after 6. There is no 6 here in hundreds place. 6 after 7. There is no 7 in hundreds place. 7 after 8. There is 8 in hundreds place. So these numbers, whichever numbers are having 1, that will come first. The number is having in 3 in hundreds place, then it will come to the second place. The number which is having in hundreds place 5, it will come in third place. The number which is having 8 in hundreds place, that will come in the last place. So 1 with hundreds place. Wait, which number is having 1 in hundreds place? This number. So that will come first. So which number is having 3 in hundreds place? 1 after 2, but there is no 2 in here, 2 in hundreds place. 3 I have. So this number will come in second place. 3 after 4. There is no 4. 4 after 5. Yes, here I have 5 in hundreds place. 570 will come in third place. 5 after 6. There is no 6. It's 7? No. 8. I have 808. So our answer is ready. Now let's go to the next bit. Here I have same number of digits or not. Let's check. 100 tens 1. Here I have 2 digits number. Tens 1, 100 tens 1, 100 tens 1. Now tell me quickly, after observing this series, which number will come first? Quickly. Exactly right answer. This number will come first. Don't take much time to think. Why? Because 2-digit number is smaller than 3-digit number. So 60 will come in first place. Now remaining numbers are 3-digit number. Then you have to observe carefully hundreds place number. If 100 place digits are same, then you have to go for tens place number. 10 place digits are same, then we have to go for yes. I hope you understood. Here 1 I have, here I have 1, here also I have 1. So no, I can't get the answer by observing hundreds place digit. Now observe carefully tens place digit. Here I have 6, here I have 6, here I have 3. Now tell me, in this number line, 3 will come first, 6 will come first, 3 is coming first. So what you understood? 3 is smaller than 6. So this 130 will come in second place. Now you have to observe these two numbers carefully. 160 or 163. 160 will come first or 163 will come first. So here 100 place numbers are same, 10th place numbers also same. Then you have to observe 1's place digit. Here I have 0, here I have 3. Which is the smaller number? 0 is the smaller than 3. So 130 after we will get 160. Now last number is left 163. The number is left 163. Children, I hope you understood this bit also nicely. Last question. So here you have to observe carefully. Okay, here this example you understood means this example also you will do. on your own, children. Okay, let me solve this. First, you have to observe whether the given numbers are having same number of digits or not. Okay, children? Yes. Here, all the numbers are 3-digit numbers. When we are having 3-digit numbers, first we have to check hundreds place digits. Children, here in first number I have 4, here I have 1, here I have 5, here I have 4. Observe carefully hundreds place digits 4, 1, 5, 4. 4, 1, 5, 4. Out of these 4 digits, which is the smallest number? 1 is the smallest number. So 145 will come first. Next, 4, 5, 4. Here I have 4. 1 after 2. Okay. 2 after 3 will get. 3 after 4 will get. With 4 I have 2 numbers here. But out of these 2 numbers, which one will come in second place? That is very important to observe. Okay. Which one will come in the second place? That is very important to observe carefully. When you are observing 100th place number, 100 place digits are same, just you go to 10th place digit. 4, 5. You know after 1, 2 will come, but there is no 2 in 100th place. 3 will come, 2 after, but there is no 3 in 100th place. 4 we will get after 3. With 4 in 100th place, we have 2 numbers. Carefully you observe, don't see this number. Out of these 2 numbers, which will come in second place, we have to decide first. But we know here in 100th place, the digits are same. So we have to observe 10th place digit. Here I have 4, here I have 5. 4 is smaller number, 5 is smaller number. Teacher, 4 is smaller number, you will say. So which number will come here? With 4 in 10th place number will come here. With 5 in 10th place number will come in second place. Yes, teacher, 445 will come in second place, you'll say. So this is the second number. So this is the second number, means this will be the third number, 454. So 4 after 5 we will get. So 5 in 100th place number will come in the last place. Children, I hope you understood this concept very nicely. Okay, these are not textbook bits. These are my own bits. Today, I'll send you one worksheet related to ascending order along with this bit, along with this 6th bit. After writing this 6th bit in your notebook, after watching this video, you will note down this bit, no children? After this bit, I will send you homework through My Class Campus app. That bit you note down in your notebook. ABC, 3 question answers you will note down from your textbook. You have to note down homework bit, means what? Whichever bit I will send through Campus app, My Class Campus app. I will send one worksheet. That worksheet you have to solve on your own, and that worksheet answers where you have to note down in your notebook. Continuation of this bit, means I will give from D, whatever worksheet problems, ascending order related questions will be there, children, that you write after C. Continue D, E, F, like that you continue, children. Okay, children, have a nice day. I hope you understood this ascending order concept very nicely today. Have a nice day, children. Thank you.